In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download videos from Safari browser in iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Safari browser on iPhone. Now go to the website where you can download the videos for free. Let's access pexels.com. Pexels is a website where you can get free stock photos and videos that you can use for commercial purpose. I will click on videos option to access videos. Let's say we want to download this video. Just tap on the video to open it. Now tap free download button at the top. You will get a confirmation box. Just tap download and video will be downloaded. To check the downloaded video, tap on down arrow with circle in address bar. From here, tap downloads. You can also access this video from downloads folder in Files app. Here you will find all the videos that you had downloaded. Now tap on the video to open. Tap share option and then tap save video. Now you can even access the video from iPhone gallery as well. So that is how you can download videos from Safari browser in iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.